Have you ever heard of Omekania? The CEO of IBETO Group of Companies, a prominent industrialist and entrepreneur. Ndị anyị ji aba. Ndewonu, and welcome to today's episode of Mpako. Today we are going to be talking about business. We are going to be discussing business and how one man created a conglomerate. No. Our story today is on Chief CLETUS Madubugu IBETO, also known as Omekania. Madubugu IBETO was born on October 6, 1952 in Nnewi in today's Anambra State. His parents were Boniface Odochukwu IBETO and Lucy IBETO. At the age of 13, Madubugu was prepared to begin his secondary education. Everything was set. He was to resume at Crusader Secondary School in Isingwa, Amachala, Umuahia. However, on January 22, 1966, his father decided to redirect his path towards trade. Remember, he was already prepared on his way to begin his secondary education. But trade was a common practice amongst families in the region at the time. He was sent by his father to Onitsha to apprentice under Mazi John Akamelo, a motor parts dealer. Yet he really wanted to go to school. But this decision, however, marked the beginning of his journey into the business world, where he would later achieve significant success. But his apprenticeship was interrupted by the outbreak of the Biafra War in 1967, forcing him to stop his training. After the war, IBETO returned to Nnewi and began trading in auto parts. Leveraging the knowledge and experience he had gained from Mazi Akamelu during his short time of apprenticeship in Onitsha. This humble beginning marked the inception of the IBETO Brothers Trading Company, which he established as a sole proprietor. A significant breakthrough came true for him when he secured an import license during the Shehu Shagari administration. Through his hard work, determination, and keen business sense, he imported 65 containers of auto parts, capitalizing on the market shortage at the time. Remember, the war had ended, and earning substantial profits. IBETO gradually expanded his operations, laying foundation for what would become the IBETO Group, a conglomerate with interest in various sectors of the Nigerian economy. It is also interesting to note that despite the business success, IBETO would pursue formal education in later years. At the age of 48, he obtained his West African Secondary School certificate and went on to earn a degree in accountancy from the University of Nigeria at the age of 54. He was also awarded an honorary Doctor of Business Administration (DBA) from UNN still. He also diversified his businesses from automotive parts to cement manufacturing, petrochemicals, hospitality, and real estate. Subsidiaries of the IBETO Group of Companies are IBETO Brothers Trading Company, established in 1970, IBETO Industries Limited, established in 1984, Holding Limited, established in 1985, Union Auto Parts Manufacturing Company Limited, 1987, IBETO Petrochemical Industries Limited, 1996, IBETO Port and Terminal Limited, incorporated in 2003, IBETO Energy Development Limited, 2003. Farmex Agencies Limited, 1998. King's Palace Hotels Limited, 1985. Cottonwood Gas Limited, 2017. IBETO Microfinance Bank Limited, 1991. CMI Communications Limited and Mass Shipping Services Limited. Through his philanthropic services, he has awarded over 350 scholarships and instituted prizes for top students in various Nigerian universities. He also has community development at heart and has generously contributed and donated infrastructures such as road construction, electricity transformers, and water boreholes to that effect. In 2008, he received Officer of the Order of the Niger, OON, and Commander of the Order of the Niger, CON, in 2012 for his contributions to Nigeria's industrial development. From the humble beginning of post-war in Nnewi to commanding one of Africa's largest conglomerates, Dr. CLETUS Madubugu IBETO's story is a testament to the power of vision, resilience, and strategic brilliance. He did not just build a business empire. His story, his life, his determination to still pursue formal education, notwithstanding his business success, carved a legacy to inspire generations on the power of vision and to rise beyond limitations and build wealth with purpose. And this is where we'll bring it to a close on the story of Dr. CLETUS Madubugu IBETO Omekania, a business entrepreneur of Igbo ancestry. I hope his story inspired you. My name is Amarachi Atama Ugu, and I am your host on Mpako, where we celebrate Igbo ingenuity to empower, to inspire, and to celebrate who we are as a people. And next episode, I will see you again on another interesting and inspiring story. Ekele mono.